Hi, it's Fias Taro. Hello, Gemini placements. This is your end of the month love reading, okay? Oo, pagdating sa person na iniisip mo ngayon mismo. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay? So, kung may iba pang tanong, message lang kayo sa akin buong FB page for more info. Okay, so Gemini, who is the person on your mind? Who is the person on Gemini's mind? Okay, anong meron sa kanya? Gemini, anong meron sa person na yan? Tell me. Okay, the Wheel of Fortune. Oh no. Okay, what's with that? Clarify natin. Wheel of Fortune, the Four of Cups in reversed. Nakakaramdam ka ng strong connection sa taong to. The Four of Cups is here. Say the Hierophant. This is commitment. The Seven of Pentacles though in reversed. So it's like gusto mo pero walang patunguhan. Okay? Some of you you're attracted, like physically attracted sa person na to. Okay? Para kang nagiging needy sa kanya. Some of you, you're manifesting na maging open siya emotionally sa'yo. Yes. Pero magaling makisama tong taong to pagdating sa'yo. Yun ang nakukuha ko sa kanya. Okay? Wheel of Fortune. It's like may dalang, sabihin natin, nakakaganda ng energy. Nakakaganda in general. Oo, itong taong to pagdating sa'yo, I don't know kung anong dala nito pagdating sa'yo. It's like a luck. Parang ganun. Oh no. Okay, so let's see. Ano bang situation nyo, Gemini? Anong situation nyo nitong taong to? The Five of Pentacles. Ooh. Meron dito parang laging hanap ng hanap, parang ganyan. So it's like parang ang cold. Why? By the Five of Pentacles. The Seven of Swords. What? Parang meron laging hinahanap sa sitwasyon. Parang laging may hinahanap, ginugusto, parang may hinihingi. Parang ganon. Okay, I don't know. Pwedeng emosyon ng taong to for you. Actually. May mga nakatago pagdating sa sitwasyon ngayon na parang yun ang kulang. Parang may kulang. Pwedeng earth with air. Water is here. Okay, so let's see ano ba talagang emosyon. So ito yung gusto mo 'di ba? Ito yung gusto mong makita, Gemini. Kaya ka parang nakakaramdam dito na parang lagi ka na lang naghahanap. Oo. Ano bang meron? Bakit ba ganyan? Sabihin nating meron dumidistansya. Or parang may nakatago kaya pilit na parang hinahanap, pilit na parang kinukuha ang sagot. Parang ganon. Anyway, let's see. Ano ba yung totoong emosyon nito for you, Gemini? What's their true feelings? The Temperance. Pwedeng Sagittarius. Bumabalanse lang sa'yo to. Oo. Why the Temperance? The Three of Cups. The Star. Gusto mo to, no? Gustong-gusto mo tong taong to. The Ace of Cups na naka-reverse. Yun nga lang, parang hindi pwede. Walang makapagbigay or someone is not accepting or giving the cup of love. Parang ganyan Okay, I don't know why. Some of you Parang ramdam mo, parang napa-friend zone ka niya. Parang ganun. Oo. Bumabalanse lang to. Ang nakukuha ko kasi, pwedeng friend mo to, Gemini. Yeah, open sila sa iyo eh. Actually, open sila pero meron something na parang, oops, hanggang dito lang tayo. Parang ganun. Okay, the Three of Cups, may chance na nakikita mo to. Okay, na nakakasama mo. Parang ganyan. Yeah. Ang nakukuha ko sa kanila, ang feelings nila for you is pwedeng yes, may connection kayo pero friend lang ang nakukuha ko sa kanya. Oh my God. I'm sorry. Parang ako na yung bumasted o umayaw sa'yo, no, Gemini. Yeah, you like this person. The star. No, you like this person. Ay, buhay. O, diba? Alam lang din nila kung paano sila mag-a-act, no? Sa'yo. Kung paano sila a-action, kung paano sila magsasalita sa'yo. They know. Kung paano. Okay? So, let's see what's their next action towards you. What is their next action? Next action. The King of Wands in reversed. Okay. King of Wands in reversed and the Knight of Cups. This is being aloof or hot and cold. Yeah, walang kaseryosohan dito actually. Okay, the Empress is here. The Ace of Wands. What? The Nine of Cups? I don't know. This person is sabihin natin ang lakas ng attraction. Oo. Okay? Always getting a lot of attention. The Empress is someone who is so attractive. Like, tinabihan pa nitong Ace of Wands. Like, physically attractive. Like that. Okay? Some of them may anak. Kung makikita niya, no? Pregnant yan. Okay? Oh, wow. Talagang maganda to or gwapo. Okay. Getting a lot of attention. Pwedeng hindi lang sa'yo. Okay. Pwedeng hindi lang ikaw na-attract dito. Actually, yeah. See? Oh. Meron pang Queen of Wands. Attractive. Mga pababae, mga palalaki, kung ano naman ang gender niya. So, being the Knight of Cups as their next action, ito yung parang makikita mo nandyan siya minsan, wala siya minsan, like hindi ganoon na nakafocus sa'yo. Okay, the King of Wands in reverse na parang ganyan. Okay, wala, no? Kung nag-iisip ka sa taong to na kung meron kang goal pagdating sa kanya, yung goal niya, wala siyang goal pagdating sa'yo actually. Okay? Or pwedeng hindi niya minamanage talaga. Oo, yung emosyon para sa'yo. Because, I don't know, pwedeng yun nga, friend lang talaga ang tingin niya sa'yo. Okay? So, ano ba ang advice for Gemini? Anong advice for you? Gemini. Okay, the Six of Cups. So, sinasabi rito, hanggat maaari, no? Yeah, nandyan yung connection. Pero this is friendship. This is like, yeah, meron kayong malalim na connection, parang ganyan. Pero, hindi as lovers, no? It's like, ang tawag doon, hindi love, pero, I can't. Masyado pang maaga. Oo, my brain is not braining. O, diba? Okay. So, Six of Cups. Magstay kayo as friends. Okay? Yeah, the Queen of Swords in reverse. Some of you, the Justice is here. Yung iba sa inyo, may chance na sabihin natin, may 3 dito This third party. Okay? Itong nakikita ko as third party. So, may mga involved actually. So, hanggat maaari, magstay kayo as friends. Okay? Para maiwasan rin kung ano yung mga issue na hindi dapat. Yung mga mali. Okay, the Justice is in here. And the reverse. Okay? So, ayaw natin sagi, ng iba, no? The Two of Cups is here. So, maybe, nakakaramdam ka lang talaga ng strong connection sa taong to. Pero, yeah. They know how to manage their emotions. Actually. Okay, bukas ang utak ng taong to pagdating sa'yo sa sitwasyon. Okay? So, yeah, yun ang akin nakikita for the person na nasa isip mo. So, okay? So, we have here Libra, a big Libra placement. Okay, Sagittarius. Okay, yun lang naman ang mga yun lang ang ating mga nakikita rito. Yeah. So, yun ang ating reading for you again, Gemini. So, yeah. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And, yeah, follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.